The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 34. Restriction on rights conferred by this part while martial law is in force in any area. Notwithstanding anything in the foregoing provisions of this part, Parliament may, by law, indemnify any person, in the service of the Union, or of a state, or any other person, in respect of any act done by him, in connection with the maintenance or restoration of order, in any area within the territory of India, where martial law was in force, or validate any sentence passed, punishment inflicted, forfeiture ordered, or other act done under martial law in such area.